Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about the demand curve. Demand curve. So what is the demand curve? It is a graph or diagram that shows us how many units of a good are demanded at each and every price. To draw it, you need three things. First, you need to decide which good will it be. What kind of a good will it be? Second, you need its different prices. And third, probably the most important information, you need information about how price affects the quantity. How many units of a good are wanted at each and every price. Okay, let's use the information from previous slide to draw our own demand curve. So let's suppose we will be drawing a demand curve about apples. We will be using its different prices, and we will look at how prices affect the quantity demanded of apples. When drawing a demand curve, we usually need two axes. On vertical, we usually put price, and on horizontal, we usually put quantity. Price, which means how much is it, and quantity, how many of it. Quantity. So here it's always 0, and it increases as we go upwards. Price increases as we go upwards. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we use third information to draw the dots. Let's suppose when price is 5, we want 1. When price is 4, we want 2. When price is 3, we want 3. When price is 2, we want 4. And when price is 1, we want 5. And when drawing a demand curve, you always must remember that you need to state units clearly. For example, here it will be dollars, and here it will be kilograms. And then you just join the dots to get your demand curve. Now guys, you might ask me, why did I use these prices and these quantities to draw this kind of graph? And my answer will be that these quantities and prices are only approximations. The point is that when a good is expensive, we want a little bit of it. And as it gets cheaper, we usually want more of it. Of course, there are sometimes demand curves when they are sloping upwards and not downwards. But usually demand curves are sloping downwards. And one more thing that I wanted to say is that it doesn't have to be price in terms of dollars or any other currency. Usually we can put anything that we use to show how we value particular good or service. And here it doesn't have to be material good. It can be any good or service that exists, or even feeling. So here is the valuation, how we value a good or service or feeling. And here is the good, service or feeling itself. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.